it's really set right now, and of course we need to take a recap. In my opinion, I think it's kind of proper. um yeah, it's important for us to check and to see what really it is we've got to say, got to do, and all of that as we are gonna be wrapping the week. Join us in this weekly recap. So I want to appreciate everyone who's been with us all along, and we've actually maintained a streak, I guess. And because of this week, we actually are having this live session this late, and this is because of the power outage, which of course we've got here. And I'm gonna be bringing my face right now to your screen. Boom, you're welcome. And I hope you all are doing great, are doing very great. And also set the camera. I think this is straight and this is way better. So once again, you're welcome. This is David, that's my name, L George, and then this is George Space. So I mean, it's great having very wonderful people who are always on the lookout for the next big thing. And as an individual, I'm extremely bullish, and you can see the market has been on fear for a long time. And I think hola, how you doing, man? Hello, right? So I'm super excited to have you all join. Please don't forget to always like, share, and of course onboard your friends. I think something is really going up right now, which I think is a proof that the market is changing stance. Currently I'm beginning to think so much, right, about how the market has been because of the week, and the crypto projection, which I think we are beginning to see. Would appreciate it if everyone could actually drop some likes and comment and all of that, what have you, so we can always have our people. There's gonna be like lucky crypto. Y'all know how that works, right? Lucky crypto. And this has been my stance right now. I've been watching this trade on Aave. I've been also trying to keep a close watch, right, on this coin, on this trade, right, which is me seeing the trade coming around this what are you gonna call this, diagonal resistance, which was a diagonal demand. It's now a flip zone because it broke out, and so for that reason we have to be keeping close tab on it. Very close call, and that's why you see the market been trading very carefully around that zone. So anything can happen tonight, and of course there's a weekly close, and so in my opinion that's very powerful. Coupled with the fact that well, I think we had NFP today on the forex market, which I'm going to be pulling up quickly for everyone to see. Even though I'm very much bullish, I don't even know how to reconcile what the market is doing with my expectation, right? So this is it. I am seeing the market giving a sense of bearishness. I don't know if that's a word from the chart, right? Meanwhile, from the fundamental perspective, everything is explosively bullish, and I don't know how we're gonna be reconciling both, right? And that's the truth. So one way or the other, that I keep saying it to people who's been here, that's please do not be in a rush to go sell off your coin. That's very important. I keep telling folks, all the coins you've been holding, you want to keep them close to yourself and never joke with them, because you just cannot tell how the market is gonna be flipping up. Even though we have a lot of market tension, right? I mean, a lot of tension in the global market, that would mean that we are not going, right, to face the reality. All right, we're gonna face the reality of whatever the market is gonna be presenting to us, right? Yeah, there are uncertainties in the market, and that wouldn't also imply that we still will not have something to fall back on and all of that. So once again, if you're viewing this from any place, any part of the world, you are so welcome. I want you to please try as much as possible to engage us in the live room. Drop some greetings. Let me see you in the live room, giving us every necessary greeting and all of that. So what you can see on the screen, oh my god, no wonder people are not seeing my face. All right, so sorry. What you're seeing on the screen right now is okay, quickly let me look at that. All right, what you're seeing on the screen is the forex factory, which is one of such important data that traders, I'm gonna use the word traders, take important note of, right? So what did you get to see, right? Okay, I think this is better here. All right, so what do you get to see? Yes, you have the US dollar, which is our interest. Unemployment rate has been 4% up, and that's telling on the dollar. So when you see 254k, people who are uh actively seeking employment during the previous this is the measurement, the percentage of the total workforce that is employed and actively seeking employment during the previous month. So when the actual data is more than the previous data, or the forecasted data, that implies it's good for the currency. And the simple implication of that is whenever we are having more people filing for yeah, I think that's it. More people who are going to be filing for employment. I don't know. It's literally just expressing the labor market in the United States, and speaking of its impact on the US dollar. So whenever you're having it more than the forecasted data, that speaks of a booming economy and a strong dollar, right? Accordingly, so because this is how it is measured, the percentage of the total workforce that is unemployed and actively seeking employment during the previous month. So whenever the actual data is more than the forecasted data, it is good for the currency, in this case the dollar, and it's released every month. That's just it, and that's what it's called. That's why it's called NFP. So this is it. The expectation right now is that NFP is the dollar is strong. So if you come to DXY, right, and you go check DXY, which is the dollar index, you can see that explosive boom. And that's what we could literally see. And so in my own opinion and my own artifact, whenever you see the dollar what's it called, being this strong, that tells you that we're going to see the market being the market selling, or the market like euro is going to be, euro should sell. See that? I didn't trade euro, you can see this. And of course gold should sell. It's just that gold and euro and gold goes in a very unique way. That's what happens to gold and cryptocurrency. Whatever that pair like euro, USD, you see the sell, right? Let me check for GBP USD. Yeah, and a pair that is paired with the United States dollars, you're gonna be seeing them selling. Look at that. See, GBP also sold AUD USD. So that's in the forex market. You get to see every one of those coins, and because of the daily candle selling, just like when the dollar bought. So there you go. And of course, this is trading into this POI, which is possibly gonna be really into a sell. I'm saying this because now, I mean, that is quite clear on the dollar. The dollar is strong, and we're expecting pairs that are paired with it to be, I don't know if I'm going to be seeing obviously weak, but yes, to be quite weak. Meanwhile, if you're joining for the first time, please don't forget to follow, subscribe, all of that. We just have to have this session, I think, because no matter how, I would want to always have this. Mondays to Fridays are work days, and so Saturdays I work off. So I think we just have to, as much as possible, in my own opinion, try and show up today. And yeah, I think that's something that you would want to like, right? So I think it's pretty much it. So I do not just know what exactly anyone's going to be thinking of this, but I hope everyone's going to be having like something to, in my opinion, learn. So guys, let's continue. So now this is it. In the course of the week, I think you're going to be reading the market news, recap and all of that, and then looking at the bigger market charts in the course of the week. Beginning with Bitcoin story, let's have it this way, guys. On a weekly candle, on a weekly measurement, this is what we get to see. In a 7-day measurement of the Bitcoin market, what do we get to see right now, please? I would want to really have us engaging this post and this stream. Thanks, gracias for those who are greeting us on our live platforms. So on 7 days, I'm saying 5%. The market seems to be down 5%, right? In the course of what's it called, 7 days. I'm actually thinking of holding my shorts. Even if I'm going to be going long, it's going to be like next week. I've been on a short on Aave, and I've been thinking of just maintaining it, owing to the fact that the markets in this descending channel is still very much active. I do not want to think for any reason, all right, that we are out of synchronization, right? I'm serious, and that's more reason why I'm thinking of taking more stronger sell positions. It's kind of funny, but of course I'm serious about that. I just opened a new position in a higher Yeah, in the higher point, right, on Aave. And I hope it's gonna be playing out right, because now whenever I see the market on the channel, you have to just keep tab with the trend, make the trend your friend, because and those are the things. So I'm looking at Aave, I'm looking at BTC, and I'm like, you know what, this market is very, very bearish in my opinion. So at least on the weekly time frame, on a trend line time frame, I don't know if there's any time frame like that, right? So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to be going a short also 3x on BTC from here. Yeah, I just did. So I'm gonna be watching all things play out. So yeah, it's you just risking. I'm thinking of opening the shorts and all things like somewhere around 60k. Okay, so that's pretty much all I've got to do. Now on a 7 days perspective, which is gonna be like a week, what we can actually deduce is, so this is being the market story essentially, if you're gonna be measuring that beginning from the week, you see that, so boom, 5.28%. So you get to see that here, 5.2%, telling you that in the course of the whole week the market has been interestingly down. And I'm saying this because you just have to have the boldness to, you know, look at the market and say, you know what, I know what you're going to be doing, and I'm not scared of what it is that it looks like you're doing. I'm just going to be taking a stance, right, irrespective, regardless. And so for me, I open a new short right now today because I know this weekend, whichever weekend we have the market going down to close, right? So yeah, so let's come back to my discourse. So that was the market in the course of the week. Bearish. So the week is a little bit bearish, right? So it's obvious if you go to total, which is a chart, a picture of the entire crypto market, we're going to be seeing how the week was for the market here, right? I'm taking with these indicators. I don't want to use this. What do you get to see here? Remove indicator. So yes, the crypto market was obviously how many percent down? I think about 5%, right? Okay, about 6% right now because of where the candle is right now. So you see that 6% downwards, and what is that telling you? That's informing us clearly that the week was a little bit bearish. And of course, what you get to see right here is giving us a lot of signs. What are the signs you get to see? Ask yourself, what's the total crypto market cap doing? So look at my projection. Like, just look at my projection. On this chart right now, the market has touched right this premium zone 1.6 1.7 1.699, and it's expected for it to run back upward. And of course, we're still waiting for that. It hasn't happened. And what you get to see right now is looking at the chart from the angle it's revealing. And if I'm going to be drawing the, I don't know, okay, right, so we've not broken above this line. This is still not obviously, look at this is not obviously shift to market structure. This is a mistake and a wrong assumption. So the market's having its own trend, which it's been keeping. Look at this. So what you can see from here is boom, and of course from here is boom. Maybe I should even use a line. So okay, so what you're gonna be seeing on the line graph, which is more innate, is a descending, right? So you see that it's okay. Is it descending? Yeah, kind of. Yeah, so it's more like a falling wedge. So I think that's more interesting for us to take note of. So that's it. And so obviously the market is actually going downwards, and so we should be expecting a bit of some plays like that. So let me bring this back to a candle chart. So this is the market true play out. So a descending channel, a descending wedge, and we would never come to the point of saying that the market is bullish until it breaks out. So until we see something like this, a clear breakout right above $2.4 trillion and a continuation of the new trend upwards, we shouldn't be thinking of anything what do we call this bullish yet. So but of course I'm still very much bullish on the quarterly perspective. I'm saying this so we can actually take note of the fact that yes, there's a bullish bias in this market, but of course we need to understand the whole thing. So that's been that. I think over the previous week we have a very, very major news, which I'm probably gonna be showing everybody, right? So CZ has been out. So CZ has been out, and then I think everyone begins to look at the fundamental perspective and how the market is seemingly, in my opinion, turning bullish. So let's look at the news. So I think let me look at the market details on what we got here, right? So okay. Hey, beautiful people, I think we need to drop some quiz. Should we do quiz? Let me ask in the comment section. And then we're gonna be having the lucky crypto giveaway. Boom! Don't forget to follow, please. Follow if you're on YouTube, also try to follow. I'm going to be so excited, and that's gonna be helping our work and onboarding some new users. I think we've got some new 50 persons joining one of our platforms, and I think it's quite interesting. So right, so let's continue, guys. Let's continue quickly. Yes. So what's been the market news over the week? So oh, these are today's news. The CZ is out. Amstar Combat was launched, and then what else again? October is a new month and a new quarter. So October is more like that month where you see the market building strength, and we've just had the beacon halving April, and so April till now it's been 6 months, and so guys, we've been so explosive, waiting for that explosive pump, and I tell you guys, it's gonna be coming real quick soon. And I'm serious about that. So you just have to never give up, and of course right, and you know, begin to bag as much as you want to bag, right? So I will be dropping a greeting to in the live room, and of course it's a, what do you want to call this right now, a freebie, like a free gift. So appreciating people that have been here with us. All right, so guys, that's pretty much what we've got, what we've been saying. So let me look at this news. El Salvador Bitcoin strategy faces IMF scrutiny. SEC will likely win against Ripple if this happens. We don't have to look at that news, and then coming, as much as that's also appealing, that's not what we're gonna be, you know, drawing as a recap for the week. What do we notice because of the week? Let me check. So I think aside from Amstar Combat, I think yes, another thing that's also trending because of the week is how, okay, everyone is ready for quiz. I think we're gonna be having the quiz soon. So one of the things that is also trending is the fact that what's it called? Oh Jesus, I just remember that I have this short position. Oh my god, like I didn't even move the stop loss an inch. Ah, interesting. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna come back to check the trade. It's a live trade. Apologies. So now I was actually busy doing a lot of things. I hope the account is actually still alive, which I doubt. Anyways, back to what I'm saying. So something happened because of the week. Amstar Combat was launched. I was saying something I just forgotten. Yeah, so I cannot remember right now. So there are expectations from tokens, from projects, and I think we okay. All right, I think we do not have the account again, or maybe it is still live. Oh, we still do. Interested. The account is live. That's nice. I was about to say something. Yeah, which is the fact that it's been trending because of the week that there's been a liquidity of meme coins coming onto SEO. I tell you guys, a lot of these coins were there. A lot of them, memes, and memes. I know everyone already is aware that making the next 100x is either going to be through altcoins or memes, but I'm going to be saying this, you know, in all honesty, that please be very careful with the memes you can be interacting with. And that's to let you know that there is a whole lot of possibilities truly around memes, but of course you might also be at the risk of losing everything you've worked for. I mean, that's a better way to say it. Guys, we're gonna be taking a break. We're gonna be right back. Let's look at the community and of course drop some quiz. I'm gonna be dropping the answer also, but of course while we're gonna be doing that, and of course expecting some people to, you know, possibly be a part of what we're doing, don't forget to subscribe. This is all what we do is market analysis and of course investment analysis, researching tokens and bringing to your very faces the next, you know, 50x, 100x token, 10x token that will actually make a lot of sense in your portfolio. Lots of talks around Pi also. I've seen that around influencers. What is this about all this? I think we're going to be talking about that in the next 10 minutes when we resume back from the break. It's break time. We're there to say enjoy the break. All right. You will see my face soon again. Till then, peace. All right, everyone, we're so back. So sorry. I think we're gonna be wrapping up soon in about 5 minutes time or 10 minutes, less than that. The quiz is up. Only 2 persons got the answer right. The answer is in capital letters SWE. What exactly is it that we're not getting in these quizzes? Anyways, we're back anyways, and I'm super excited to be doing this again with you guys as usual. So only 2 persons got the answer right. Really, it's in capital letter, and then wow. I think I've really missed my audiences, those who always follow me and then would know how this whole thing works. Right, I'm gonna be saying this that all of our answer is in, or they are in set of letters. So that's the font every of these answers goes for. So guys, that's pretty much it. I think I want to talk about Pi Network, right? Because it's been one of the trending discourse around influencers and what have you in the course of the week, and I just don't know. And one of the things that I think is making this trend will be because of how Pi Network has been farming people's data in a long time. So, and look at this: apply to the Global Pi Influencer Program to expand your reach and contribute to Pi's growth as we approach open network. If you're a passionate influencer ready to elevate your impact and grow your influence, go to the Pi Mining app and learn more. Boom, 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 boom. That's been the talk, and I think that's been the reason why a lot of people has been having concern. Even myself, I tried getting all answers actually are in capital letters. So yeah, and I think even myself, I've tried what's it called, figuratively, literally, what's it called, doing my KYC on Pi, and it's not been going through. I don't know if this is a real Pi, but I doubt it. And I think this one is a scam community, and a lot of people have been thinking this real thing. I don't think it's available on Binance, but it's on HTX, and a lot of people have been thinking this is a real Pi, which obviously it isn't. So I think we'll do more quiz for people. Thanks fully tonight, and that's gonna be it. So I think whatever it is that's bringing Pi trend means that the real Pi might be coming out soon and all of that. So I tell you guys, this has been the major discussion in the course of the week. Everyone's been buying against SUI, and if you go check the price of SUI right now, guys, it's been crazily up. There was time I was holding 1,000 of SUI, but not anymore. And you can see, as you can see, the token right now, it made its new high, and of course, because of the meme coins trading on the chain, it's been like 140% up since the 19th of August. And so that implies if you had gotten almost 100k worth of SUI some a month ago, you would have gotten like 100k back, and of course more, like 140k in a month. And that's telling you all that there's something coming. You don't want to think that we've actually climaxed. No, we just getting started. And that's to let you know that you want to put your eggs in multiple baskets. So I'm still talking about SUI USD. So the answer right now, all right, is SUI USD. Right, so the next answer. So I hope everyone is going to be saying that. Okay, I hope everyone's going to be saying that. Now let's go. We're going to be fixing a quiz. So what do you think is going to happen to the chart of SUI? I think we're going to be having the market relapsing a little bit. That's the truth. Because if you go check, because of the, like, look at that. This is a POI. It mitigated that. And then, of course, if you're going to be doing the analysis, what you would see is a sell liquidity clearly on SUI. And, of course, a market swing, which is a shift in market structure, as you can see. And that tells you that no matter what, we're going to be having, like, you see that? A retracement come what may, and it's very simple to say, okay, we should be expecting some retracement around 1.19. I don't know if that's very tenable and all of that, but of course that's highly possible since we come some 35% down and then we continue upward. So I think we should be preparing to back SUI, and that's already giving me an information. Do you know what that is? I should go sell my what's it called, my SUI meme. I have a SUI meme which I am holding. I'm probably gonna be selling that tonight. I'll check no matter what the profit is, because I know this meme could pump, but if SUI is dumping, my meme may not survive it. I think SUI has been down. I think I had more profit from this previously, but now, so maybe I'm just gonna be converting this and just waiting. Probably. So I'm gonna be doing justice to that after I'm done. I'm actually holding some back to SUI. Maybe just even leave it, but I just cannot even tell. So a lot of thinking in my mind, and that's one thing about me. Whenever I buy a coin, I want to be seeing that the coin gets to the very peak of it. So I just get emotional about it, and that's been the whole thing. We're gonna be doing another quiz. So I hope everyone is actually seeing that. Right, and I've already given an intel, so everyone who actually knows that this is how we do our thing, our stuff, they would always want to be a part of this quiz. It's just gonna be like for 30 persons, and we're gonna be giving away a sizable unit of BTTC token. So guys, that's pretty much all we've got to say. I think essentially what we can actually draw as the fact, all right, about this whole market week is the fact that, yeah, we had some pump on some altcoins, but of course we still have the overall crypto market expressing a drawdown that is up to 6%, that which is about 5.6 thereabouts percent. So I think that's pretty much all we have got to say about how the whole week has actually been. So I just do not know how you all are thinking. I'm actually on a short position on BTC, which you might probably see open real on a live account right here. I mean, on a demo account, sorry, right here. So y'all can see. Yeah, you see this? It's still played out like that. So let me take a very huge sell so you can see. So the quiz is available, and I hope everyone actually answering already got the answer. 0% with the answer after I've given the answer. That's very, very unexpected, right? So I'm gonna be going on the 50 pound short on BTC right from there. Stop loss is gonna be right there, like risk 19k. Okay, we have 3 persons getting it right. I hope everyone is gonna be seeing that. So let's see how this goes. I'm seeing a short. So yeah, I think we have 4 persons right now. I hope everyone's gonna be getting the answer. So once again, guys, I really appreciate you all for coming. It's been over 30 minutes, and I think we've actually touched down on little things, such as the things that's been trending. Su meme coin has been trending because of this week, and of course the overall crypto market seems to be down. Of course, memes have been the whole attention. CZ has been out, and of course that's been a big plus for the whole crypto market. So I think yes, we've had a very big deal of experience because of the week, and I want to appreciate everyone who's been a part of our journey, believing, and of course journey with us along the line. So I think, and of course a lot of trends around Pi, and of course a lot of trend around Q4, which is explaining how optimistic everyone seems to be about the fourth quarter of this year, and of course in the month of October, which I think is one of such great months in the whole historical cycle of the Bitcoin bull run. So, and I think those are the major thoughts, because I also made mention of this because of one of our live streams, that yes, we are of course noticing institutional buy orders on the Bitcoin market, and aside from that, we also seeing more funding rounds going on, which is also very, very indicative of the fact that the market is still explosively bullish. And of course, sentimental analysis such as the fear and greed index is, as you can see on CoinMarketCap, is on 36, and that tells you the market is inherently bullish. We also have metrics such as the what am I going to call this now? The repeated patterns of Octobers of every Bitcoin halving being a very bullish month, and that's one of the final ticker we actually got, which is proving our fact that we have a very big bullish month ahead of us, and of course a very big bullish quarter. So if you've actually not gotten anything, bought any coin, I tell you, you're having a fair opportunity right now. There's been this coin I've been looking at. I actually made some very wrong decisions around this coin. I was holding a very sizable unit of this coin, yes, and I'm not happy about it. A very wrong decision, guys, very wrong. So those are my, yeah, I think just imagine you're holding 40,000 units of this coin. What am I saying? 40, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so I think I was holding that unit. Well, whichever way, it's all gone right now. We're just gonna be looking for some other ways to find some other coins that would yeah, do better. So I think that's pretty much it. There are still gonna be other gem coins, and yes, I'm kind of excited about this, the things we're gonna be seeing, and all we've got to say. So far so good. I think we've learned some 1 or 2 things about the market, old projection, and 1 or 2 things also. I think, let me see those who also qualify for the quiz. Let me see. Only 5 persons, really? That's actually funny. Psychas got the most. That's nice. So I think we're gonna be calling today. I appreciate everyone who's been coming. So we just actually had to do this quick recap and my eyes has been on some very nice, great coins. I really wish I could actually bag as much as possible. If I could bag this only one like, I'm still gonna be doing that, right? The FDV is actually 75 million, and then the market cap is 75 million, which means almost all the tokens is actually in circulation right now. Sorry for Wayne, sorry, which is still making me have a reason to bag, right? So I really do wish. Sorry, why is everyone not seeing my screen of the coin I'm actually showing everyone? So yes, that's what I'm showing. So that's all from my end. Actually, do hope we're gonna be making more investment decisions that are very smart. Till then, again, we're gonna be meeting some other times. This is Elgio, this is David. I'm super excited to have you. It's been almost 40 minutes, and I think we've just yeah, danced around stuffs and of course make some discussions. And I think, excuse me, in the grand scheme of things, that's what matters. Relating with people, and of course getting to share, and of course have art discussions. So guys, that's pretty much all from my end. I hope this trip works out well. So I've been on the short, so I'm just gonna be watching this, and yeah, so we're gonna be quite optimistic about that. So everything looks pretty interesting. I think Sui is actually gonna be making a very huge prospect soon. The best case scenario for Sui, in my opinion, is $10. Let's say $10 to $20, right? Because the market cap of Sui also is actually very massive. It's in billions, and I'm not expecting the token to actually go terribly overboard, in all honesty. So yeah, the market cap is on like 4 billion, 1 to 3. Even if it does 20x, that's gonna be like some 80 billion. So looking at some realistic 150 billion dollar market cap at its peak could be some yeah, could be very, very logical, and of course 10 episode. Guys, thank you for coming. I'm super excited to have you. Looking forward to seeing you some other times again. Don't forget to subscribe, like I always say. You know, work, support it, and of course do be a part of it. We're gonna meet on Monday next week. We're gonna be rolling out the content of the whole week, maybe on Sunday, and you're gonna be seeing the live sessions being approved and applied. Join, turn on your notification bell. YouTube, Binance Live on HTX. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out. Love you. Bye.